my next number, I'd like to return to the classic.
DJ Renier. DJ Renier.
Anthology.
As we walk the golden mile down the pretty aisle, I know that you are mine, and there's nothing in this world that I know I wouldn't do to be near you every day, every hour, every minute. Take my hand and let me lead the way. All through your life, I'll be by your side. Death do us part. Maybe I'll be your friend. My love will never end. Till death do us part. There'll be good times and there'll be bad, but I will stand beside you all the way. And through the years, it's life will pull us through. When snow will fall on winter nights, I'll keep you warm inside, yeah, baby, I will. Oh, thinking about our younger years, there was only you and me. We were young and wild and free. Now nothing can take you away from me. We've been down that road before, but that's over now. You keep me coming back for more. Baby, you're all that I want. When you're lying here in my arms, I find it hard to believe we're in heaven. And love is all that I need, and I found it there in your heart. It's too hard to see we're in heaven.
DJ Renier.
You know our love was meant to be. Kind of love to last forever. And I want you here with me. From tonight until the end of time. You should know so far. We've sworn at the moon, and we've counted a million stars. My love, still true. Friends have come and gone. Some have left me alone, but I've stared at these walls before, and they've made me blue. All along in my heart I've known there's one thing in my life that still rings true. I can count on you.
DJ Renier.
Count on you to be there. No questions in the air. No asking why or where. No looking back. Count on you every time to ease my worried mind. You'll forever be important to me, my miracle vine.
DJ Handsome.
I know just how to whisper, and I know just how to cry. I know just where to find the answers, and I know just how to lie. I know just how to fake it, and I know just how to scheme. I know just when to face the truth, and then I know just when to dream. And I know just where to touch you, and I know just what to prove. I know when to pull you closer, and I know when to let you loose. And I know the night is fading, and I know the time's gonna fly. And I'm never gonna tell you everything I gotta tell you, but I know I gotta give it a try. And I know the roads to reach it, and I know the ways to fade. I know all the rules, and then I know how to break them, and I always know the name of the
Renier. DJ Renier.
Here
Crosses my mind. If I never wake in the morning, would she ever doubt the way I feel about her in my heart? If tomorrow never comes, will she know how much I I try in every way to show her every day she's my only one. And if my time on earth were through,
DJ Renier,
she must face this world without me. Is the love I gave her in the past gonna be enough to last tomorrow? Cause I've lost loved ones in my life who never knew how much I loved them. Now I live with the regret that my true feelings for them never will reveal. So I made a promise to myself, each day how much it means to me, and avoid that circumstance where there's no second chance. Tell her how I feel. If tomorrow never comes, will she know how much I love her? Did I try in every way to show her every day she's my only one? And if my time on earth were through, she must face this world without me. Is the love I gave her in the past gonna be enough to last if tomorrow never comes? So tell that someone that you love just what you're thinking of if tomorrow never comes.
DJ Renier.
Without saying a word, you can light up the dark. Try as I may, I can never explain what I hear when you don't say a thing. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you'll catch me wherever I fall. You say it best when you say nothing at all. All day long I can hear people talking out loud. But when you hold me near, you drown out the
trial we'd ever care to go. When I look back, I almost can't believe it. We're not the same people that we used to know. With all the years behind me spent pretending I didn't need someone like you around, it makes it even harder to imagine the life I'd be living if I hadn't found someone to hold me the way that you do, someone who needs me the way I need you, someone to show me a way that is true, someone to love me the way that I love you.
Are you done mixing yet?
No. Let's rewind.